Leverage Nation. It's a go. We can't try it.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
The leverage, yeah. Leverage. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, I say your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. I don't know, so today we have a one pot all in one, and it's my curry chicken back. You don't know, might as well call me chicken back boss, because nothing no sweeter than chicken back. So today we have chicken back, and we will do some chicken back with oats dumpling. That are the twits. We are use oats in the flour. You see me? And mix up and see what that taste with the all in one. So here we see we have a prep things them here. We have them scallion, onion and pepper, and we have some special seasoning. This is not one seasoning, people. So we have that mix up and thing. And we have a thyme. We have the curry right here, so we have the flour, we have the oats, we have the black pepper, we have the chicken season, and we have the chicken back already clean up and cut up. Just have to give man that rinse off, and then we are seasoning them. So you know leverage, you know. Welcome back in here, you see me? Leverage boss attack, you don't know, say yo. I just do the right thing, you see me? And the thing. So all in one pot, chicken back and dumpling, oats dumpling. You know where leverage go. Yeah, so check in guys, I don't know where thing go. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Wanna share it, wanna like it, wanna comment it. Do the right thing, man. Subscribe, man. You subscribe yet? Yeah, man. Do the right thing, man. I don't know so we are grow, so yeah. That's a leverage. We check in back when we start. Do the season and thing, you see it? Leverage. Alright, so welcome back Leverage Nation. I don't know anything go. We have put some of the chicken season on it. We not put too much still in it because we have a special mix up in this. This is not the original. It's a Maggi back here, but you don't know, so we have some mix up. You know what I'm saying in there? Look, mix up some things in it, and a special. So you see me? We just season up the chicken. Boy, you see me? And do all of the right thing then. Put little black pepper. Just a little. You see me? And then normally leverage nation, I don't know. You know we got to work with the last chicken back. With the last curry, I must say. Yeah. We ain't put none on the chicken, but it come out rich and thing and after that. But you don't know if we make the thing look colourful. We just add a little same way, you see it? Boy, you could get to and come like a get to a part. You know your leverage. Yeah, man. So we just do the right thing. We just stir him. And do the right thing, you know. See that? You see that look? Juicy full already, man. You know your leverage, man. This is just a quick one pot video, you see me? One pot video, vlog, whatever you want to call it. You know your leverage, or your leverage boss, man. You see me? I just keep on with contents, you know? Cooking, whatever, you see it? Just mixing around, man. Part of badness. That will do it, you know. Enough that, you know. You see me? Enough of the so. So we are go so. Cover him down. And make him go and cover there. We are going to move. So leverage nation, we are going to go some bombs. And move to the ground seasoning. We are cut up with onion, with scallion, with pepper, and the garlic, and all them something there. You see me? So we get back in and we started a cut up there. You know leverage, 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 leverage. Yeah, leverage nation, so we get the scallion them and thing wash up. And we just get a quick cut up, you see. You know it get go. Jamaican way man, Jamaican style man. Take off all the budu look them man. Yeah man. Cut it up really fast, you know. Take off the budu look them man. Look how ugly part, they see me? Yeah. Chop him up. Quick and fast. Got the onion. Mince him up fine. You know, leverage nation. After that man, I don't know, we have the pepper. No, we're not go too hard. Heat a little pinch still. Yeah. Just a little pinch. Garlic, you don't know the thing of the garlic up the thing, you know. You see me when we burn the curry, you know. People have them different way with them because some people just press it down and smash it. You see me open it up. You don't know, but whatever how you feel to do it. A little outdoor style, you know. Although it's not a wood fire, but you don't know you're outside, out in the atmosphere. You know where style go. You can, you know. Yeah man, so basically I finish all them things there, cut up all them things there. Cut up all them things there, and when we get back to now, we'll move on to the flour and I need it up, you see me, but we are just, we don't do all them things and we just do on it. We're not finished this yet still, but we'll finish add in the thyme too. I just add it to the Nice, wonderful pot, you know. And just make it, oh, pot cover drop and just add it to it, you know. But yeah, man, we get back. You know the leverage. Leverage. Yeah, man, leverage nation just there, Bill. Everything done, prep up already. Don't know. Just mash up some of this. Twinkie them body, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So right now we're just gonna get the flour, get the oatmeal, put the salt in it, and then complete him up, man. Turn him to a dough. You don't know flour make already, yeah. So that we are gonna do, and then put on the fire, and then you know, see the process, yeah. So I don't know, just there chill. Go and use the back and thing, you know. Yeah, man. All the vibes. You know the vet leverage, you see it? Leverage. So we're gonna check in when we started that part there, you know. Knead up the flour. Yeah, man. So leverage nation, what you are going to add in the flour, you know. Maybe I'll make 2 spinners in it too. Oats. So, leverage nation. First time I try this, you know, so no, don't judge me. That you see, I experiment and see it. You see it? Oats dumpling. You see it? That's a leverage. So salt. So we are going now. See, look here. So we'll start mixing in, you know. Not a lot. The right thing. So leverage nation, we are checking when we're done. Knead up this ready for chewing at the pot. Well, make it go on. You see me? Next step. No leverage. Yeah, leverage nation. So the oats there. I need them out a little more. So you see reach right now. So need them out a little more and make him go and rest. Yeah. So anyway, things go in a process. Making progress. You see it? Yeah, man. So make him go and rest. Need him out a little more, make him go and rest, and then we start the pot. You see me? Put on the curry chicken back. You know the leverage. Fire start, see me leverage nation. Fire starter. dip a little oil in him, you know? Yeah. Dip a little oil in him. Just go and dash in him from now. You see me? I mean, have everything we want, but we just work with. That's the Jamaican way, you know. Work it the way you have, you see? Yeah, that's a leverage. Watch Eclips with the one pop, one pot, oatmeal dumpling. Oi. Oatmeal dumpling. Mix up with the chicken back. See my leverage nation chicken back well seasoned. Deal with in the real and proper way, man. Yeah, leverage nation, they are see thing now. I just stir them up the real and proper way. Yeah man, so we are get down to him, man. Get down to him, yeah. Pretty already. Yeah man, cover, make him catch a little color and then cover him up. Cover him up and then we put the oats dumpling, you see it? And talk about oatmeal now, oats. You see me? Or make those time I said oatmeal. Oats. Kind of oatmeal we have. Oat dumpling. Oat flour. Devour. That is it, looking pretty already. See the flour there. Oh God, man, so we are just the proper way, add some water to him and then. Yeah, man. Remember again, you know, always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know the leverage. Yeah, leverage nation, so add more than enough water to go in there. Now we are start the kneading process. You see me? So just there go and all advise, man, you see me? Go and knead up them flour here. Yeah, nah. You know anything go leverage nation. We need the flour them, so check in on where I drop in the flour them, you know. Not normal epic oat flour curry chicken 1 pot. 1 pot, you know. 1 pot them are going in a leverage nation. 1 pot. Oh God, man. Check it. Alright, leverage nation, see it, yeah? Sorry, chicken. Flour them, do little some of the flour them. Need out some more. Flour them done son. Non-education, so they ugly. Yeah, man. Sub out for run, man. So yeah. First one here drop in, yeah. Don't make some spinners. Yeah. Drop in them. Spinners. Oats them stand up in the flour, you know, man. A few more for drop in. Yeah. Look proper already. No, not sure. Oh God, man, leverage nation. Watch it. Flour float on top already. That is it. Check in. We be right back. One pot. Leverage nation. Watch out. Flour them a float on top. Make him simmer down. Look like it are bad, I not lie. Leverage nation. Pot done. 1 pot. Watch out. Make it dash right now. So it look pretty. Watch. Flour, curry chicken, everything done. Ready. Ready. Is it? That a leverage. So I tell you it tastes after the sharing and go on. Make it go on settle a little bit. And then I tell you it tastes. That a leverage.
Alright guys, so today we are going to sample the curry chicken back, one pot with the oats dumpling. You don't know the chef, leverage boss, I am prepare it, you know. So we are going at it and make you know what we are going. Even though it's kind of spicy, I think, but let's see. So we will try the oats dumpling first and see what we are going. Bad, but can taste the scotch bonnet now. You like pepper, mama? I'll give one little piece. I'll give one little piece, guys. I'll give water from bar. Alright, so guys, that is it. No, wait. I'll try the chicken too. I don't know, we have to sample the chicken. Hold on. Yeah guys, right now 3 dumplings in that plate and I go for 3 more after this. Ball.
Right now, Leverage Nation food sharing it. Don't look on it. Right now, moment of truth. Taste. So you go one pot, you see me? The oats in the dumpling. One pot, you see me? One pot. Leverage Nation, it's a go. We can try it. The oats in the dumpling, one pot. I was skeptical, but right now, this is just essential. That is it, Leverage Nation. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. One pot. You see me? Oats dumpling, curry chicken back, one pot. Yeah man. Tell me what you want to see next time. We can deal with that. If not, we're on to the next one. Data leverage. Leverage, leverage, leverage. Bad man. Good. Can't. You know, so I have to make the spinners them too. I know. Tastes good with the oats in them, man. Not real taste, cause yeah, it tastes good. Not really taste in there, no, but proper man. Proper. Oh god man, watch a man. So the curry rich. Let me see. Alright. I'm gonna say 40. Watch it. No, I'm gonna stop watching me eat my bite. I'm gone. That's a leverage.